Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into one of my favorite fashion topics, how to embrace that old money style this fall. Now, when we talk about old money, we're not just talking about wealth, but rather a timeless, understated elegance that exudes sophistication without trying too hard. It's about investing in quality over quantity and choosing pieces that will stand the test of time. So if you want to embody that effortless, chic look this season, stick around because I'm sharing all the tips on how to dress like old money this fall. 1. Invest in timeless outerwear, the power of a classic coat. Let's begin with one of the cornerstones of fall fashion, outerwear. When it comes to old money style, nothing says timeless elegance quite like a well-structured coat. This season, invest in high-quality outerwear. Think classic trench coats, wool peacoats, or double-breasted coats in neutral tones like camel, navy, or charcoal. These pieces aren't just functional for chilly weather, they also add instant sophistication to any outfit. A well-made coat can last for years, even decades, and that's exactly what old money style is all about. Avoid trendy or overly detailed outerwear that might look dated in a few seasons. Instead, opt for clean lines and minimalistic designs. When you're wearing a beautifully tailored coat, you don't need much else to make a statement. Whether you're headed to a business meeting or a casual lunch, a quality coat sets the tone for the rest of your look. To truly embody that old money vibe, focus on fabrics like wool, cashmere, or even tweed. These materials not only look luxurious, but also feel amazing to wear. And remember, the fit is crucial. Your coat should fit comfortably over layers without being too tight or too loose. Tailoring can make all the difference, so don't be afraid to invest in adjustments to ensure your coat fits you perfectly. A well-fitted coat is the epitome of timeless elegance. 2. Stick to neutral and earthy tones, understated sophistication. When it comes to old money fashion, color is key. You'll rarely see loud, flashy colors in an old money wardrobe. Instead, the focus is on neutral and earthy tones, which exude calm and understated sophistication. Think shades of beige, cream, olive green, navy blue, and, of course, classic black. These colors not only complement each other beautifully, but also allow you to mix and match effortlessly. Neutral tones provide the perfect canvas for layering and accessorizing, allowing each piece to shine without overpowering the overall look. For example, an olive cashmere sweater paired with beige trousers and a chocolate brown handbag creates a cohesive outfit that looks both elegant and effortless. Neutral colors also make it easy to build a versatile wardrobe since everything works together seamlessly. Earthy tones are particularly suited for the fall season, as they reflect the natural changes in the environment. Think rich browns, deep greens, and muted oranges. These colors evoke a sense of warmth and timelessness. By sticking to a palette of neutral and earthy shades, you can achieve that refined, old money aesthetic without feeling like you're chasing trends. 3. Embrace tailored pieces, the foundation of elegance. Old money style is all about clean, structured lines, and there's no better way to achieve that than by incorporating tailored pieces into your wardrobe. Whether it's a perfectly fitted blazer, high-waisted trousers, or a sleek pencil skirt, tailored clothing gives you a polished and professional look that never goes out of fashion. Tailored pieces are also incredibly versatile, allowing you to dress them up or down depending on the occasion. For example, pair a tailored blazer with a simple turtleneck and jeans for a chic yet casual look, or combine it with trousers and heels for a more formal setting. The versatility of these pieces ensures that you'll get plenty of use out of them, making them a smart investment for any wardrobe. 4. Quality fabrics are non-negotiable. Luxurious, not flashy. Another hallmark of old money style is a focus on high-quality fabrics. The key here is luxury that isn't flashy. You want pieces that look and feel expensive without being overly adorned. Fabrics like cashmere, silk, wool, and fine cotton are staples in an old money wardrobe. These materials drape beautifully, are incredibly comfortable to wear, and age well over time. When you choose high-quality fabrics, your clothing naturally looks more refined, even if the design itself is simple. A well-made cashmere sweater, for example, doesn't need any embellishment to stand out. It speaks for itself. The texture, the softness, and the way it falls on your body all contribute to a look of quiet luxury. This is the essence of old money style. Less is more, as long as the quality is there. 5. Classic footwear, the foundation of every outfit. Let's not forget about footwear, an essential element of any old money-inspired look. Elegant women know the importance of investing in classic, timeless shoes that complement their wardrobe. This fall, focus on well-made leather shoes like loafers, ankle boots, and classic pumps. These styles are not only versatile but also exude sophistication without trying too hard. Loafers, for example, are a great option for both casual and formal settings. Paired with tailored trousers or a midi skirt, they add a touch of class without being overly formal. Ankle boots are perfect for the colder months, providing both comfort and style. And of course, you can never go wrong with a classic pair of pumps. These shoes elevate any outfit, whether you're wearing a dress or a simple pair of jeans. 6. Minimalist accessories. Less is more. You won't see over-the-top, flashy jewelry or bags in an old money wardrobe. Instead, the focus is on classic, minimalist accessories that add a touch of elegance without overwhelming the outfit. Think delicate gold or silver jewelry, a timeless leather handbag, and perhaps a silk scarf for a bit of flair. One of the reasons minimalist accessories work so well is that they enhance your overall look without stealing the spotlight. A simple gold bracelet or a pair of pearl earrings can add a subtle yet impactful touch to your outfit. And when it comes to handbags, a structured leather bag in a neutral tone will always exude sophistication. Scarves are another fantastic accessory for fall. A silk scarf tied around your neck or draped over your shoulders can elevate even the simplest outfit. The key is to keep your accessories understated and classic, nothing too trendy or extravagant. When done right, these small details can make a big difference in how polished and put together you look. Remember, old money style isn't about flaunting wealth or status. It's about a quiet, refined elegance that transcends trends. By focusing on timeless pieces, neutral colors, and high-quality fabrics, you create a wardrobe that not only looks chic, but also stands the test of time. And that wraps up our guide to dressing like old money this fall. I hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring as you curate your fall wardrobe. Remember, elegance isn't about following trends. It's about choosing pieces that make you feel confident and timeless. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more style inspiration. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. What's your favorite fall piece for embodying that old money vibe? Until next time, stay stylish and stay confident. And I'll see you in the next video.